It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel, and one in the park as well. The sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Well, I'm the director of dining services year-round here, but tonight I'm the director of the Glee Club for the Glen. Well, music soothes the soul, and there's nothing that brings the spirit together like everybody singing together.
There's a lot of camaraderie here. I sing baritone. I have a little bit, I don't have that low voice.
Now the jingle hop has begun.
Because it's community and you feel family. Oh, because music brings joy to everyone.
Oh, they do so much and make you so happy, and this is my first Christmas here.
Oh, it's just the tree, the people, the activities, the music. Just, I think it's wonderful. And neighbors get together, and friends get together, and that's what's happening here. It's like a family.
It's here every day. From the day I came in, the Christmas spirit exudes from everybody here who works here, who lives here. It's a wonderful place. It is magical.